Teachers, what's the weirdest science project you've ever seen? It was our big science fair day, and every student had been prepping for weeks. We had volcanoes exploding with foam. A kid made a solar-powered mini-car, and someone even made an actual robotic hand that could hold a pencil. I was impressed, until I saw it. In the back of the room, surrounded by a suspiciously large amount of empty space, was a handmade wooden catapult, and 10 full-size potatoes just sitting in a box next to it. I stared at the setup like, what class is this for? What's your project? I asked. This kid looked me dead in the eyes and said, I'm testing the gravitational impact coefficient of projectile produce. Dude, you're launching potatoes. That's your entire project. I didn't even want to argue. I just said, show me. And that was my mistake, because this kid, he grabbed a potato, locked it in the catapult like he was loading a cannon, and launched it. It soared across the entire gym like it had a vendetta against everyone in the room, and it hit a girl right in the head. She didn't even see it coming. Just went from smiling to questioning reality in 2 seconds flat. Before I could even react, he loaded another one. I yelled stop, but it was too late. Potato number 2, it flew across the room and smacked another student in the arm, knocking their science board over in the process. Kids were diving under tables like it was an air raid. I ran over and said, what are you doing? And he just went, scientific accuracy requires multiple trials. Bro, you're not testing gravity. You're committing crimes. I called the principal, and they dragged him out of the room while he yelled about being silenced by the scientific community. And the worst part, he brought a backup box of potatoes. Honestly, I still gave him an A, because I've never seen 2 concussions and a science trophy happen in the same hour.